Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 6. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Here minus 2 can be written as minus 2 so this is the solution that minus 2 can be written as 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 minus 14 by 7. That is 7 to the 14. Therefore the 5 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers, there are the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are minus 13 by 7, minus 13 by 7, minus 12 by 7, 12 by 7, minus 11 by 7, minus 11 by 7, minus 10 by 7, minus 9 by 7. Right? These are the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Again, you are repeating that minus 2 can be written as minus 14 by 7, 7 to the 40, that is minus 2. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are minus 13 by 7, minus 12 by 7, minus 11 by 7, minus 10 by 7, minus 9 by 7. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.